What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be unboxing the 2020 Glossybox Advent Calendar. Here is what this bad boy looks like. It is huge. It comes with over $550 worth of stuff in here for only $99. But if you use my code Emily16, not only do you get to get your first Glossybox for only $16, but you can get $10 off of this advent calendar box, making it only $89, which is an amazing steal to me because I feel like everything that's in there, not only can you use as gifts for other people, but also to treat yourself in the month of December. So I'm gonna make sure to leave all of that in the description box down below for you guys to shop. Okay, getting into this box, I'm gonna open it. It is the cutest packaging ever. So when you open it, it looks like this. It has 4 different drawers full of gifts for you, and on the outside it has a little pamphlet basically spoiling what's on the inside. So if you don't want to know what's on the inside of this, make sure to not open this or sneak a peek. Just open it as each day comes, like an advent calendar. But of course, if you want to get a little peek, see what's in each box, that way you can decide what you want to gift to other people, what you want to keep. This is a really great guide for that. And also, if you don't want to see what's inside, make sure to stop the video here and just go down into the description box and click that link and treat yourself this December. So box number 1, this is going to be the one that you're going to open on December 1st, looks like this. What a beautiful, I love the box, the packaging. These are going to be all super easy to rewrap for somebody if you want to gift them, but if you want to just treat yourself, I'm not here to judge you. So let's see what's in box number 1. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. So box number 1 has a Makeup Revolution Face Quad palette. So this looks like this, really pretty for the holidays. And it has 4 really beautiful highlighter shades, a really beautiful white, a gold, a pinky blush tone, and then a bronzy tone. So this is a really great gift for someone else, I feel like, but also if you want to treat yourself, go for it. So what a really great way to start off December. All right, so box number 2 looks like this. So I'm really excited to see what's inside. Okay, this looks like a liquid eyeliner. This is from, and I'm so gonna butcher the name, I'm so sorry. It's Illuminating, I think. This is a black liquid eyeliner, so perfect for literally anyone on your list, especially somebody who loves makeup. This is just a really great like stocking stuffer or something to throw in their holiday gift. All right, this seriously feels like Christmas. This is day number 3, opening this up. Okay, what do we have here? So this looks like this is a deluxe sample size of the Clean It Zero Cleansing Balm. This is from Vanilla Co, I think. Okay, so this is a really nice thing to use. So it says that gently massage balm in circular motions onto dry skin using fingertips. Rinse well with lukewarm water or wipe it off with a face cloth. So it's not a cleansing balm necessarily, but it looks like it's going to help with like dry, flaky skin. All right, guys, so here is day 4. It comes in this box here. I'm really excited to see what's inside. Oh, okay, so I love this. This is from Ona, New York, the All Eyes on Me Illuminating Gels. So it does come with 1 pack of these, which is fun because I love skincare and I love eye gels. So this is definitely something that I personally would keep for me. But another really great idea is if you find like a bunch of skincare things in here, you can make a whole gift basket for someone for like a little spa night for a gift idea. All right, moving along, this is day 5, December 5th. So I can't wait to see what is in here. So inside looks like this is this a sample or this looks like a deluxe mini of the Viktor and Rolf Flower Nectar perfume. I love a good perfume. I love perfume samples. I like trying new things. This smells so good. If you're a fan of the YSL Black Opium, you will really, really like this. This is definitely up my alley for sure, so I'm definitely gonna keep that for myself. All right, guys, day 6 is heavy, so I'm really excited to see what in the world is inside of here. Oh my gosh, this is the Tarte Meisler Magic Makeup Remover and Cleanser. I think this is a full-size bottle, but how amazing would it be to gift this to somebody with those eye gels and like something else if there's anything in there for skincare. What a great cute little gift, but I'm probably gonna keep this for myself. I've actually never tried this before, so I'm really curious to see how I like it. Moving right along, this is day 7. So on December 7th, feels feels weighted a little bit. Let's see what's inside of this box. Okay, this is the Glossybox 3-in-1 moisturizer. So Glossybox has their own skincare. So this moisturizer plumps, primes, and protects. So I'm interested to try this because I'm always looking for the right moisturizer and I'm always down to try something new. So yeah, you are getting their full-size 3-in-1 moisturizer. So 2 days in a row, you just got 2 full-size products. Like, that's pretty exciting. All right, guys, day 8 comes in this beautiful pink box. Super excited to get in here. And this looks like you are getting an exfoliating texture scrubber. So this is a mild face exfoliating scrubbing pad that you can use. I believe you can put your like face wash on it and then use this pad to wash your face. So what a really cool tool. I've never used anything like this, so I'm really excited to try this. But again, what a great thing to add to like a cute little skincare gift bag on top of everything else. All right, day 9 looks like this box. And again, this one's pretty heavy, so I'm really excited to see what's in there. So this is the Lee Stafford Hair Apology Intensive Care 10-in-1 Leave-In Treatment Spray. I could definitely use this with all the blonde that I do on my hair. I definitely have to make sure that I have some kind of treatment going on in my hair every single day just to keep up with the health. So this is something that you can use to spritz over towel dried hair and comb through the ends of your hair. You can either let it air dry or blow dry it. So it works for literally anybody's hair care routine. So this is something I definitely cannot wait to try. Moving on to day 10, here is what the box looks like. And again, I'm like, so this feels like Christmas morning for me. Ooh, okay, so in here you are getting Freeman Lovely Neck Firming and Soothing Sheet Mask, so a fun sheet mask, and then a Freeman Melting Sugar Face Mask. So this is, it says, sweeten up your skincare routine with this treat-inspired melting mask for luminous skin. This unique mask infused with real sugar and rose extract features skin boosters that melt on contact to hydrate and calm glowing skin. And it is for all skin types. And then this is to help firm and smooth the appearance of your skin on your neck. So this is a really fun like little self-care Sunday thing you could do for yourself. So here's December 11th box right here. So adorable. And what is inside this? So let's see. Fun! Okay, so this is a Turban Shower Cap in a little pink shade here. So this is something that you can use to protect your hair when you want to take like a body shower. I know me, like I love to take body showers, but I try not to wash my hair more than every like 3 days. So I always have to make sure it's not getting wet in the shower. So this is something I'm definitely going to be using for sure. All right, so here's December 12th box. This is the size that it looks like here. And let's see what is inside. So this is the Avant 3-in-1 Hyaluron Filler Collagen Eye Formula. So people like me who is in the 25 and up club need to start wearing an eye cream, and so I'm really glad I had this. This is mine. I'm sticking with this. The MSRP for this is $125. So I'm going to be a little greedy and I'm going to keep it because you know what? 2020 was a year and I deserve this. All right, let's see. This is December 13th. So we're already halfway through the month of December and this has already been so exciting. So let's get to day 13. So this is the Rodial, I might be pronouncing this wrong, Vitamin C Brightening Cleanser. So a really fun gel cleanser that you can use every day. Is this good for all skin types? I'm not sure if it says so, but this is something fun to try. I always like to try different types of skincare products and things like that. So again, this is definitely something that I'm definitely willing to give a go, see how I feel about it. So here is December 14th and let's see what's inside. Ooh, this looks exciting. So this is a Wander Beauty Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. So just a really fun mascara to try. This again to me would be a great gift for someone. I know I already have tons of mascara that's unopened in my drawer, so this is probably going to be something that I gift because I just don't need this, but how exciting just to get like a fun new mascara to try. Here is box 15, December 15th. Let's get into this. This feels fun. Okay, I think this is gonna be really exciting. So this is the 111 Skin Harley St. London Rose Gold Brightening Facial Mask. Now to me, this looks extremely luxurious. This is a sheet mask, yes. Let me see how the MSRP on this. Yeah, so these alone are $32 per sheet mask, so you can tell this is very luxurious. This would be a really nice self-love Sunday thing you leave on for 20 minutes. Enjoy, have a coffee. I love that. I can't wait to try this. I love a good sheet mask. All right, so here's day 16. This feels promising. I'm really excited to see what's inside of here. Ooh, okay, this looks like a refreshing cleansing hemp wipe packs. I love makeup remover wipes, especially to get like around my hairline after I've washed my face, just to make sure there's nothing else there, because I feel like even when you feel like you've washed your face so well, just using these at the end of the day are great. So these I'm so excited to try. All right, guys, we're getting so close to the end. We're on day 17. Here's what the box looks like. And let's see inside of here. Okay, what is this? So this is the Crabtree & Evelyn Smooth and Refined Body Lotion. So this is a deluxe mini here, so you can get like a nice sample size, deluxe sample size, if you will, to see how you like this if you want to buy the full-size bottle of this. So a really great sample to get an idea of if you love it or not. Here is December 18th box. Let's see what's in here. Oh my gosh, so exciting. This is the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Hawkwind. I'm gonna assume Hawkwind. So let's see, this looks like a nice like matte. Is this nice and matte? Let me see. Mauve-y, like brown toned, really fun color. I don't know if I'll personally wear it, but if I can think of somebody who might, this might be a really great gift. Oh my gosh, I feel like we're getting so close to the end. So this is, let's see, December 19th. Here's what the box looks like. And inside is, ooh, this is a good gift idea. So this is LA Splash Cosmetics eyeshadow brush. So it has a setting brush and a defining wing brush. So let me take these out to share with you guys what they look like. I have so many brushes in my life that, again, this will probably be something I gift somebody. But these are really cute little brushes here. You can kind of see what they look like. They feel really nice and soft. So I feel like a great stocking stuffer for somebody, or if you're just really in the mood to get some new brushes to your collection. What a fun little gift in here. So here's December 20th box. Can't wait to see this. I can already tell what company this is just by like a quick glimpse, and I love this brand. This is the First Aid Beauty Pure Skin Face Cleanser. So what a good, fun little stocking stuffer. So I actually do have a full bottle of this, so I'll definitely be gifting this to somebody. But I love their skincare products for sure, and what a great way to introduce somebody to their brand. All right, December 21st, we're getting so close to December 25th. This feels pretty sturdy here, so let's see what's inside of here. And it already looks so fun looking into it. This is what is this? The Beauty Crop Stuck On You Eye Primer. Look at how cute this packaging is. This packaging is so freaking adorable. Like, as soon as I saw that, I was very interested. And this feels like this is a full-size product here. Let me see if I can kind of open this and get into it. I'm gonna guess this is definitely a full-size product, but their packaging is so adorable. Really, really cute. I am definitely interested in trying this. It looks like something up my alley for sure. All right, getting close. It's December 22nd. Here's what you can expect in your December 22nd box. So here is the Hey Honey Sweet Treat Wildberry and Honey Yogurt Recovery Mask. So again, this looks like this is going to be a deluxe mini, so you can get a good idea if you like it. Really great sample size. Here is what it looks like. This will be fun. I've tried some other products before and I've liked them, so I'm definitely gonna go ahead and try this myself. All right, moving on to December 23rd's box. Here's what it looks like. Here's the size, and inside of it, I always open these up upside down. All right, December 23rd is a Dr. Pawpaw Tinted Ultimate Red Balms with a multi-purpose soothing balm with natural pawpaw. So it's for lips, cheeks, cosmetics finishing with a hint of color, and it looks like it is going to be red to me. That would make sense to me with it being Christmas. Yeah, it looks like it's a nice like red tone color. So if you have a friend who like doesn't really like to wear like tons of makeup and stuff like that, this would be fun. It's just like a nice little cheek lip tint for them to use. Okay, there's only 2 boxes left. So we're on December 24th. And here is what that box looks like, and let's check out what we are getting. This looks fun. Okay, so this is the Be Your Incredible Self with Nails Inc. nail polish in their shade Victoria. I think you guys can already tell by my nails I love a dark shade in the fall and winter, so this is something that I'm definitely going to keep for myself for my fun self-love nights when I paint my toes or whatever it is. But this is this looks super nice. I'm curious to see what the MSRP is on this. So this normally goes for about $15, so really nice nail polish. I'm excited to try out for sure. Okay, are you guys ready to see December 25th box? Here is what it looks like. I'm freaking stoked to see what this is. So let's open this. This looks so fun. Oh my gosh, are you guys ready to find out what this is? Okay, this is the iconic London Day to Slay eyeshadow palette. Are you freaking kidding me? So this is what it looks like. And on the inside, oh, it's so pretty. I am so gonna use this. This is so pretty. I can't believe this came in this. Here's a nice up close shot for you guys to see what it looks like. Look at all these beautiful pigments. I'm so stoked to use this. Alright guys, so that's it for the Glossybox 2020 Advent Calendar unboxing. I cannot believe that all this stuff comes in here for only $89 when you use my code Emily16. Make sure to go in the description box down below if you want to sign up and get on this. What a great idea, not only to get some of your Christmas shopping done, but to also spoil yourself, or hey, no judgment here, spoil yourself and give this as your Christmas gift to you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and again, everything is going to be available down below to shop. Thank you guys so much, and as always, if you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you guys next time.